Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be finding out how to fix ISDone.dll and Error occurred when unpacking Unarc.dll returned to an error code. So if you're getting this kind of error code on your screen, we are going to fix it, which usually happens for data corrupted decompression when it fails. So let's just head over and fix this issue. So let's close this up and we can head over and type in CMD. And here, find it as an administrator on your computer and open it up on your screen. Just go ahead and close this up. And there we go now. So what we're going to type is, type in SFC space / scan now. And run it in the background. This may take some time. And on the second method, what we're going to do is while it runs on the background, go over and type in View, Advanced System Settings, and open it up on their Out Control panel. From here, go over to Advanced tab, here first. So go over and find this option for Performance under Advanced and go to Settings. From here, you can just go over to Advanced tab again. And from here, what we're going to do is go over and find Virtual Memory and click on Chains. From here, we're going to go ahead and turn this option on, automatically manage pacing file size for all drivers, and we're going to set it a custom size. So here, I'll just go ahead and type in these values. For the initial size, type in 100, and for minimum MB, we're going to type in 35,000 right below it. In this box, type in 35,000 and click on OK and set it up, and that should probably do it for you. So these are the methods you can follow up if you'd like to fix that particular error on your PC. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.